Good morning and welcome to the NEC stand at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. My name is Jonathan Cooper and I'd like to introduce you to our LED bundle product. The product behind you is our fine pitch advanced 137-inch 1.5mm product. We do have products starting at 0.9mm right up to 3.8mm in this product. It's different to a lot of the other products at the show, mainly because it's got a metal cabinet which helps with the rigidity. It's got excellent locking pins, and we've designed it so that it's really useful for the installation teams. So it's got very good mount solution, power bar at the bottom, and it's also using multicolour LEDs, which are particularly good for off-axis viewing and also for coping with condensation. The new product we've got is the 0.9mm, which we have a 4K display on the stand in another area, and this product could be useful for meeting rooms, boardrooms, transportation, leisure and museums, and education. I hope that's whetted your appetite. Please come and see it or learn more on our website, which is www.nec-displays.com. Thank you.